Having trouble with your Discord bot slash commands? You're not alone. Since 2025, slash commands have become the primary way users interact with bots, making it crucial that they function correctly. Research shows that most slash command issues aren't actually caused by problems in your bot's code. Instead, they stem from incorrect permissions or setup configurations. Let's break down the three main categories of slash command problems you're likely to encounter. Registration problems account for 60% of slash command issues. These occur when commands aren't properly registered with Discord's API or when there are problems with your application ID or bot token. Permission issues make up 25% of problems. This includes insufficient bot permissions in servers, missing required scopes, or channel-specific permission conflicts. Only 15% of issues are actually code implementation errors, such as improper interaction handling or missing response acknowledgements. Understanding Discord's permission system is crucial for troubleshooting. Discord uses a hierarchical permission model with multiple layers. At the top level, application permissions are set when you create your bot invitation link. These determine what your bot can do across all servers. Server-level permissions are configured by server administrators and can override or restrict application permissions. Channel-level permissions provide even more granular control, allowing different permissions in different channels. Finally, role-based restrictions can limit which users can interact with your bot's commands. The most critical step in setting up slash commands is creating the correct bot invitation link with proper scopes and permissions. Here's what a proper bot invitation setup looks like. You must select both the bot and applications.command scopes. This is the most commonly missed step. Additionally, your bot needs minimum permissions, including send messages and use slash commands. Without these, your slash commands simply won't appear or function. Remember, most slash command issues are preventable through proper setup. Focus on getting your bot invitation right with the correct scopes and permissions, and you'll avoid the majority of common problems. When your Discord slash commands aren't working, follow this systematic troubleshooting approach to identify and fix the issue quickly. Phase 1 focuses on verifying your bot has the correct OAuth 2 scopes. Your bot must have both the bot scope and the applications.command scope to use slash commands properly. Phase 2 involves checking bot permissions. Your bot needs specific permissions like send messages, use slash commands, and read message history. Also, verify the bot's role hierarchy and channel-specific overrides. Phase 3 focuses on command registration. If your commands aren't appearing, you may need to re-register them. Test with guild commands first, since they update immediately, while global commands can take up to 1 hour to propagate. Phase 4 involves using the Discord developer portal to verify your application settings. Check your bot's online status, review application settings, and ensure your bot token is correctly configured. If you're still experiencing issues after following these steps, check community resources like Discord developer forums. Many common problems have been discussed and solved by other developers facing similar challenges. By following this systematic approach, you can resolve most Discord slash command issues efficiently. Remember to check OAuth 2 scopes first, verify permissions, test command registration, and use the developer portal for final verification.